Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can sell this skill on social media platforms, and or you can target offline market, and you can go to websites on google.com related to your niche and check these out and contact them, and they will surely hire you. So it is a very premium skill, and I will teach you this skill in 3 to 5 minutes in Canva. So let's get started. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a e-commerce company logo in Canva. So I'm going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very handy and easy to use. So let's check it out. So I click on create a design. Here I search logo. 500 by 500 pixel is most widely used logo format. And so our dummy company name is eCommerce. I click on elements, and here I search e-commerce, and let's see what it shows. We have to choose some best option. I think this one is good. So, and its color should be green. Yes. And after that I add a text here, easy commerce. And let me choose some background color. Yeah, it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.